You can read through the specs on this Black & Decker cordless vacuum, and this is not to replace our main vacuum. This will be used for incidental use, small rugs coming from the outside to you indoors, get the debris that accumulates when you walk in from the garage, side door, the main door, whatever. Does have auto sense technology, so the suction will change as you go from a regular floor to a carpet. Up to 40 minutes of runtime. That's going to change though if you use it on a rug. To test it out, I went ahead and vacuumed the whole house. At the extension probe there, the dust bow along with the battery and that second item, the crevice tool you can use to detach this or put it in this bow here to vacuum your car if you want. And of course you have the charger there at the end. And I charged it, of course, fully before I used it. It was close to 3 hours. Here's charging. Stands on its own, which is convenient. And like I said, I'm only going to use it. We're only going to use this for incidental use. Like I said, smaller rugs around the house and so forth. But just to test it out, I went ahead and vacuumed pretty much the whole house, the floor. I think I got the 2 bedrooms, the rug in the family room, and then the battery died just as I was going to go to the 3rd bedroom rug. And of course I edited the video and I speeded this up here, but it took about 24 minutes. I probably could have done the whole house if I'd done just the tile. But it uses more battery when you get to the rug. You can sense the suction change. Here is just a family room rug here. And the battery is a 16-volt battery, and it's built into the dust bowl. They do have the 20 volt that you can attach to it, and that one is separate, so if you use a lot of the Black & Decker tools, as I do, have that Black & Decker chainsaw, reciprocating saw, edge trimmer, and a few others, and the batteries are interchangeable. Can't do it with this one though. This one is built in, so you just have to put it aside and charge it at an outlet. But for the price, it did pretty good. Even though I wasn't able to do the whole house, I said I fell short. Actually, a couple of bedrooms, two of the bedrooms, and pretty much all of the tile floor. And that was about, like I said, about 24 minutes. Easy to dispose of the stuff.